Welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Mac menu, where all the ingredients are always from nature, never from a lab. There's two things I miss about England. One is Walton's bread, the other one is Cadbury's chocolate trifle. Now once in a while you can get the bread from the English shops out here, but you can never find the trifle, so I thought I'd give that a crack.
First, to make the chocolate sponge, add 1 cup of sugar to a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and stir together. After that, add 1/4 cup of water. Then we add 2 eggs and whisk everything together. Then add 1 cup of flour that you strain through a sieve. And after that, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, also sieved. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Begin to mix together and then add a pinch of salt. Pour the cake mixture out onto parchment paper and cook in a 350-degree oven for half an hour. Some ovens vary, so when you think it's done, place a knife into it, and if it pulls out clean, it's ready. Now for the mousse. Place a bowl over a pan with boiling water and add the chocolate. Stir till everything melts. Then we separate 3 eggs and put them aside. Add exactly 1 1/4 cups of double cream into a bowl. And whisk it till it forms little peaks and put it aside. Then we whisk the egg whites the same way. As you do this, add 1/2 cup of sugar. Next we add the melted chocolate. After that, fold everything together. It should form this amazing mousse mixture. Place it in a dish and pop it in the fridge for about an hour. Whip the remainder of the cream to the thickness of your choice. When the sponge is cool, it's ready to start building the trifle. The first step is the chocolate sponge. Next we add the mousse. And after that, the fresh cream. And to top everything off, add a few shards of Cadbury's Flake.
Okay, this is my take on the Cadbury's chocolate trifle.
Looks delicious. Look at that. It's very nice. Gonna go right down to the sponge. Get that, wow, get that out there. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Wow.
Is it as good as the Cadbury's?
It's delicious. Yes,